Anyway, good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. Did you revise the portions that last day we have completed about the chapter
Yes.
about maps and the globes, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you revised it? Have you revised it? Have you completed the notes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let me ask to someone. Anandan Raj,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me about globe? What is a globe?
A globe is an 2D dimensional.
Make it clear. Make it clear. Is it 2D or 3D?
2D
Ma'am, 3D.
dimensional drawing of place on a surface.
Ma'am, a globe is a 3D dimension.
Yeah. Who said this?
I mean,
Amin,
Ma'am,
that is the correct answer.
a
Anandan,
globe
is
is a
it clear now? Anandan,
three-dimensional
is it
model of
clear?
the Earth. Ma'am,
Anand,
but my there two only.
yes. See, children, a globe is a
Ma'am, I said a
three-dimensional
two-dimensional
model
globe.
of the earth. I have told
Ma'am.
you length, width, and depth also. Okay, but a map is a two-dimensional figure of a place on a flat surface. Is it clear, children?
Ma'am, I
Yes.
said in two-dimension only.
No, it's three-dimensional. A
Ma'am,
globe is a
two-dimensional.
three-dimensional model of the earth.
Ma'am, 2 dimension is map.
Yes, tell me.
2 dimension is map.
Tell me. Okay. Okay, children. And we have discussed the important lines and the points, right? We have discussed
Yes,
the
ma'am.
important lines and points.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Then, Angelina, can you tell me about the endpoints? Two endpoints are there.
North Pole and South Pole.
Very good. North Pole and the South Pole. There are two endpoints of the Earth axis, and it is North Pole and the South Pole. Then, Krishna, am I audible to you? Can you tell me about equator?
Equator. Equator.
Equator.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Krishna, write that answer. Krishna, write that answer 5 times and send to me through the WhatsApp, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then Siana is there?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Siana,
Some disturbance are coming.
children, please mute your audio. Okay. Siana, am I audible to you? Yes, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Equator. What is an equator?
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
I can hear you clearly, dear.
Ma'am, can I
Tell me, Angelina.
No, ma'am, I mean.
Can I?
Amin. Yes.
Equator is just
Around the
Any
middle
one
of
of
the
you,
globe.
please tell me.
Ma'am,
equator is an imaginary line.
Yes, imaginary line.
Equator is an horizontal imaginary line at the center of the earth.
Yes, very good. Okay, equator is a horizontal. It is a imaginary line. Okay, horizontal imaginary line which divides the earth into two equal parts. Okay, and we have discussed about prime meridian, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Vertical
It is a
imaginary.
vertical imaginary line which connects from North Pole to the
South Pole.
Okay, which connects from North Pole to the South
South Pole.
known as prime meridian. All these are the imaginary lines.
Ma'am, you can hear me?
Okay, yeah, sure. Okay, all these are the imaginary lines. Okay, then next we have discussed about the difference between maps and the globe, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
which one we have discussed? Can you tell me?
Globes, prime meridian and 180 meridian, degree meridian.
Yes, tell me. The difference between globes and the maps we have discussed.
Yeah.
Yes, tell me. Can you tell me the difference?
Ma'am, the globe shows only one part of the earth at a time.
Yes, globe shows only one part of the earth at a time. Okay, if we want to see the other part, what we have to do? We have to turn the globe. Okay, but a map shows the whole earth at a time.
Ma'am,
Right?
Yes.
Yes. Then,
it is difficult to carry around globe. Ma'am, it is difficult to carry around.
very good. A globe
Maps
is
are easy to
very
carry around.
difficult to carry because
Ready
while we
or-
were traveling, listen children, listen over here. While
Okay,
we
ma'am.
were traveling, okay, it means which one is easy to carry, map or a globe?
Map.
Map.
Maps are easy to carry, but a globe, as it is spiritual, it is very difficult to carry around, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So the two of them you have told me. The next one.
Map provide detailed information.
Yeah, if we want to know anything particular, means information. Okay, any particular information with map, means if we have taken an Indian map, political map is there, physical map is there, thematic map is there. Okay, so it provides a lot of information. Okay, but a globe does not provide detailed information. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Then the globe. Globe is spherical in shape, so we can study the movements of the earth. That means rotation and revolution. We can study very clearly by using a globe. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
But we can't study rotation and revolution by using a map. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this any four you have to study by heart. Okay, the first one, the map shows the whole earth at a time.
Hi.
Okay, but the globe shows only one part of the earth at a time. That we have to mention, at a time. Okay, the second one, it's a drawing on a flat surface, but the globe is a small model of it is spherical. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Provide detailed information. Maps provide detailed information, but the globe does not provide detailed information.
Ma'am, today we will study new chapter.
Yeah, today we will. After this, we will move on to the new chapter. Okay. Okay. Then, easy to carry, but globes are not easy to carry around.
Difficult to carry around.
Yes, it is very difficult to carry around because while we were traveling, this map, as because it is spherical in shape, it is very difficult to
Carry around.
Okay. Is there any doubt, my dears?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. And I have sent the notes in the group. How many of you have written it?
Ma'am, I written.
Okay.
all.
I written.
Ma'am, I finish all.
All of you, yes, all of you have to complete your workbook, okay, and write neatly in good handwriting using pen. You can use the pen, okay. Now you are in 5th standard, so you can use the pen and
Okay,
write it and
Okay,
study
ma'am.
5 questions per means each day you try to study 5 or 10 questions. Okay, so
ma'am.
tomorrow means next class I will ask you the first study the first 10 questions and come for next day. I will ask you. Okay, first and that means 1 to 10. First 10 questions study for next class. Okay, is it easy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So, children, now we are moving to concept means 1.2. That means latitudes and longitudes. Have you heard the term before?
No.
Have you studied it before?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Latitudes and longitudes. I think we have discussed some of the important latitudes and longitudes. Okay, but still we can discuss. We have to study something more. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. I know that you are very good children. You are very smart. Okay. And shall I take it?
Yes.
Important points. Do I need to discuss once more?
No, ma'am.
No needed?
No.
Oh.
No, ma'am.
Shall be about equator?
Ma'am.
Equator is an horizontal imaginary line.
Yeah, at the center, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Then prime meridian.
Imaginary vertical line.
Imaginary vertical line
Line
connect
at
from
the
North Pole to the
South.
South Pole. Okay.
Ma'am.
Then Tropic of Cancer.
Tropic of Cancer.
At the middle of the
Mm.
northern hemisphere.
Ah, that means okay, it is drawn on either side of the equator. It's drawn either side of the equator that I have taken on the last class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere and Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. Okay, Tropic of Capricorn in the northern hemisphere and Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. Very good. And I have told you one more line is there on the other side of prime meridian. Have you remembered that?
180 meridian.
Very good. Who said this? Pranav.
180 degree meridian.
It is 180 degree meridian. Okay. So, can you tell me these 4 lines just we have discussed, right?
Yes.
Among this, which all lines are horizontal?
Horizontal, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn,
Very
Antarctic
good.
Circle, Arctic
Yeah,
Circle.
no. I just want to know from the one we have studied. So, 4 important lines we have started off with here, and Tropic of Cancer, Equator, and Tropic of Capricorn.
Capricorn.
Right? All these are the horizontal lines, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you know what it will call?
Sun's vertical rays.
That is known as latitudes. Yes, latitudes. That means the imaginary horizontal lines drawn parallel to the equator. Do you know parallels? What do you mean by parallels?
Parallel.
Ma'am, I don't know.
I don't
Anyone
know.
of you
I
know
don't
the
know.
answer?
I don't know. Parallel.
Okay, parallels. See, these all are parallels. Parallels. That means they are not meeting anywhere. Okay, they do not meet at any point. Okay, so already we have discussed about Tropic of Cancer, Equator, and Tropic of
Tropic of
Capricorn.
Capricorn.
Okay, all these are the horizontal lines. Okay, that were known as, I have told you the name,
Horizontal lines.
latitudes. Okay, latitudes. Kridan, where you are
Latitudes.
looking? Kridan,
Latitudes.
Kridan, listen here. Okay, see children, the horizontal lines, okay, drawn parallel to the equator. We know that equator lies at the center, right?
Yes.
And Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn are drawn on either side of the equator, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, these are parallels. These latitudes, they were called as latitudes.
Latitude.
Latitudes.
Okay, and there was another name for the latitude, that is parallels. Tell me all of you.
Parallels. Yes.
Tell me all of you. Tell me.
Parallels. Parallels.
Okay, very good.
Latitudes.
So let me discuss some more important lines.
Parallels.
Yeah, parallels.
A-L.
Okay, children. Here in the center, that is,
Equator.
yeah, equator.
Theater.
Very good. And we have studied another two important latitudes.
Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of
Capricorn.
Yes, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. And Joel, tell me, where does Tropic of Cancer lies? Joel. Joel, Justin. Joel, unmute and tell me. Oh, tell me. Oh.
Ma'am,
Joel?
can I tell?
Joel,
Can I
Joel, tell me.
Can I tell?
Yes.
Northern Hemisphere.
Yeah, northern hemisphere. Here we can see what Tropic of
Cancer.
Cancer. Very good. Then Aromal. Aromal. Where do we find Tropic of Capricorn?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Aromal, tell me. Aromal. Aromal. Tell me, dear.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, yes.
Southern Hemisphere.
Hemisphere.
Where is it?
At the southern hemisphere.
Yes, southern hemisphere. Here we can see Tropic of Capricorn. So, the earth is divided into many small sections. Okay, the earth is divided into many sections. Okay, and the lines which make these sections, it means it is easy to find the places. For locating the places, we are dividing the earth into many sections. Okay, and the lines which make these sections are called latitudes and longitudes. Okay, which the lines which makes these sections are being called as latitudes and longitudes. Okay, is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, and already we have studied three important latitudes, that is equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn and in the previous chapter, right? That is concept.
Yes.
Okay, and now we are going to study detail about these things. Okay, and we always measure these latitudes in degree. Okay, that means if we have written
23 degrees.
yes, we are measuring the latitudes and longitudes in degrees by using degrees.
Degrees.
Okay, and
23
which
degrees.
direction they fall. That means if we have written 23 degree here south, what does it mean?
That is south is 23 degrees. 23 point.
23 yes, degree to the South.
South.
Okay, here it is 23 degree to the
North.
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 Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. We
Ma'am, can
are
you repeat
measuring-
again?
Yeah, I'm going to repeat again. We are measuring the latitudes and longitudes by using the degrees. Okay, this is the symbol for this. That means 23. Yeah. This one is we use as degree. And in which direction it falls? Okay.
Northern
Yes.
hemisphere.
Northern hemisphere. 25 degrees south.
South.
25 degree to the south.
South.
Okay, you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have discussed the three important. We are going to study detail about these latitudes. The horizontal lines which we used. Okay, the horizontal lines which we drawn around the earth were known as latitudes, and it also known as parallels. It also known as
Parallels.
Okay, good children. And equator is the longest latitude. Which one is the longest latitude?
Equator.
Equator.
And it marks 0 degree on the globe.
0 degree.
Do you have pen or pen on the box with you?
What, ma'am?
You have pen or pencil with you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then draw like this.
In the rough book?
Yeah.
Ma'am, equator became big because of middle.
Yes, middle. It is the longest latitude. And it marks 0 degree.
0 degree.
Yeah. Thomas Benedict, turn on your video. Yeah. Adi Ishwar. Have you?
Yes, ma'am. Finished.
Okay. Then
Wait, ma'am.
the other two, already we have discussed other two latitudes. The northern hemisphere, it is Tropic of
Cancer.
Cancer.
Capture. Topic of
That is 23.5 degree. Tropic of Cancer.
3.5 degree.
Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you read it? Do I need
Yes.
to write it again?
5.
No.
Let me write it again.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. Which is the longest latitude?
Equator.
Equator. And it marks
0
degree.
0 degree. Very good. Yes. Then
Equator.
northern hemisphere.
23.5 degree. Tropic
that
of
is being
Cancer.
called as
Tropic of Cancer.
very good. 23.5 degree. That means in northern means it lies in the northern hemisphere, right?
Yes.
23.5 degree to the north. It is Tropic of Cancer.
Cancer.
Then can you tell me about Tropic of Capricorn?
It is lies in the southern hemisphere.
Yeah, very good. It lies in the southern hemisphere and the degree
23.5 degree.
23.5 degree to the
Degree. South.
very good. 23.5 degree to the
Both
south.
are same now.
And this is being called as Tropic of
Tropic of Capricorn.
Capricorn. Very good, children.
Ma'am,
Same, no.
Yes.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay. So these 3 points or these 3 lines are clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt to anyone?
No.
Daniel Melvin, you can leave the class now. It's not the time for you. Daniel,
Yes, ma'am.
leave the class.
Ma'am.
So I see. So others, please listen. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next we are going to study the other 2 important latitudes. That is Arctic. Yes, listen. Not clear. Let me check.
Ma'am, some sounds are coming. Yes, ma'am. Now clear.
Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, some sound.
Now, what about now?
No, ma'am. Clear.
Clear.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So,
Yes, ma'am.
these 3 lines. Yes, tell me. Okay. So these children, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these 3 latitudes are clear to you now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. So now let me move to the another 2 important latitudes. Okay, that we were not discussed yet. Okay, that is Arctic
Yes,
Circle and
ma'am.
Antarctic Circle. Okay, Arctic Circle and
Antarctic Circle.
Arctic Circle.
Yes, ma'am.
North, here North Pole, right? Don't forget about it. North Pole and the South Pole. This is Arctic Circle. Okay. ARC. Okay. TIC. Arctic Circle.
Arctic Circle.
Yes.
And what is meaning by Arctic Circle?
This all are the imaginary lines. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
And it measures 66.5 degree to the north.
Okay.
Okay. Then here another one in the southern hemisphere.
The same degree only, no?
Yeah, same degree only. But I have told you the name. Do you remember? Arctic and
Arctic. South, 66.5 degrees north.
circle. Okay. Let me write over here.
Circle.
0.5 degree to the south.
South.
Okay. Antarctic.
Antarctic.
Antarctic circle.
Antarctic Circle.
Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the important latitudes. Okay, these all are the important latitudes.
Latitudes.
Already we have discussed the 3 in the previous classes, that is about equator and Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. And which is the longest latitude?
Equator.
Equator. And it marks 0 degree. Okay. And in the northern hemisphere, we can see Tropic of
Cancer.
And in the southern hemisphere, we can see Tropic of
Capricorn.
Okay, and it marks 23.5 degree.
To the south.
Yes, if it is south, it is Tropic of Capricorn. If it is north, it is known as Tropic of Cancer.
Cancer.
Here, these 2 imaginary lines are drawn on either side of the equator. One is in the north position and one is in the southern, southern hemisphere.
Ma'am, why is equator 0 degree?
Yeah, it lies at the center. Okay, it lies at the center. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Then today we have discussed about the other two important latitudes. Okay, that is the North Pole or Northern Hemisphere.
Yeah.
That is
Arctic
Arctic
Circle.
Circle. Okay, which also known as Northern Tropic. Which also known as Northern Tropic. And in the Southern Hemisphere, it is Antarctic Circle. Okay, how much degree it is?
66.5 south to the
Here
south.
it is south and here it is north. This one is also known as Southern Tropic. What is it being called? Southern Tropic. Children, is it clear to you?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Let me ask questions. Eh?
Yes.
Amin? Amin is smiling. Tell me, Amin. Amin, unmute and tell me. Tell me the important latitudes. Tell me the name of the important latitudes. Which all latitudes we have studied?
Equator.
Yes.
Equator. Tropic of Cancer.
Yeah,
Tropic
Tropic
of Cancer.
Tropic of Capricorn.
Capricorn. Equator. And
Arctic Circle.
Arctic Circle.
Antarctic Circle. Okay, is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Krishna, can you repeat? Krishna? Can you repeat?
Ma'am, can I repeat?
Wait, wait. Let her to do. Krishna, unmute and speak to me.
Topic of Cancer.
Yeah.
Topic of Capricorn.
Yeah.
Antarctic Circle.
Arctic
Arctic
Circle
Circle.
and Equator.
Equator.
Abhishek, which one is the longest latitude? Abhishek,
Ma'am,
longest latitude. Tell me. Equator is the longest latitude. And what is the other name of the latitudes? Adviga. Parallels. The other name of the latitudes, that is parallels. Very good. So the horizontal lines are being called as latitudes. Okay, the horizontal lines are called as latitudes. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, revise the points. Do one thing today. You just draw a globe and mark all these latitudes.
Is this homework, ma'am?
Yeah. The time
Ma'am,
to
in the notebook?
not in the notebook. Just
The
do it in a workbook. Okay. Sorry, not workbook. Rough book.
Rough book. Okay.
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 Okay, ma'am.
Study well. Okay. So tomorrow
Okay, ma'am.
means next day. Don't forget. Study the first 10 questions from the workbook of the concept 1.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, Amin.
Yes, ma'am.
Adil,
Yes, ma'am.
Aditi,
Ma'am.
Aditi.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I already study everything. You can ask
Very
me
good,
anything.
very good, very good. I know that you are very good and very smart. Okay, study well and come for the next day. Okay, bye, children.
Thank
Bye.
you,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank